Hi everyone, I am Christian Angelo Mangisilde Salisa and I'm here to present to you the gym monitoring attendance system. So, as you can see, ito yung home namin. Makikita nyo na agad yung sign in at register. So, dito sa sign in, i-input mo lang yung username and password. Pero hindi mo muna ito magagamit kasi wala ka pa namang account. So, proceed tayo sa register. Dito sa register, makikita mo lahat yung mga fill outan mo. Ayan. Then after mo ma-fill outan, ipindutin mo lang yung register button dun. So after that is, punta ka na sa sign in and then makikita mo na yung user dashboard. So next is the about. Dito sa about, pinapakita dito kung para saan nga ba yung system natin. Kung para saan ba to, ganon. So, next is the classes. Dito sa classes, pinapakita dito kung ano yung gusto mong month na i-avail. Nakalagay din dito yung prices and the rest day. So, next is the trainers. Here in trainers is magpapakita dito. In example ko na lang is yung kami. Ayan. Kami. So, sayan kung sino yung gusto mong i-avail na trainer. Dito sa contacts naman is magpapakita yung mga numbers, GMAS, kunyari may emergency kayo, ganon. So, next is the pag naka-sign in ka na. Diba? Dito, pag naka-sign in ka na is yun na, pupunta ka na sa user dashboard. Dito sa user dashboard, magpapakita yung dashboard. Dito sa dashboard, kung mag-a-add ka lang ng classes mo. Kunyari, mag-start ka ng Monday, tapos add schedule mo. Doon, hindi magpapakita na yung QR code. So, next is the add schedule. Kung gusto mo, kunyari, pag naubos na yung membership type mo, hindi mag-add schedule ka naman kasi nag-expired yun. So, dito naman sa view schedule is magpapakita yung mga schedule mo lahat. So, next is the membership. Dito sa membership is magpapakita kung anong type ng pag-gym mo yung gusto mo. And then, the logout. Next is the admin dashboard. Here in the admin dashboard, magpapakita lahat kung sino yung mga nag-avail. So, naka-organize na din siya. Magpapakita dito yung user schedule kung sino yung mga nag-avail sa'yo ng mga user. Nagpapakita din dito yung membership records. Kung sino yung mga nag-avail ng membership records. So, next is the time in and time out. Dito naman magpapakita kung ano yung time in and time out na in-schedule nila para sa kanila. Dito rin sa time in and time out, dito mo rin i-scan or yung admin na rin mag-i-scan yung QR code na binigay sa'yo kanina pagka-sign in mo. So, dito, pag-i-scan dito, kasi kunyari, pagpupunta ako sa mga gym, kailangan pang mag-fill out ng mga papers, ganon. At minsan nawawala pa. Kaya nawawalan ka ng records. So, dito, i-input mo na lang yung QR code or i-scan mo na yung QR code and then, meron ka ng record sa kanila. Ayun. And magpapakita na dito yung time in and time out mo. Ito na rin yung gagamitin mong time in and time out.
This code handles the display of user records for an admin in gym management system. It checks if the admin is logged in, connects to a database, retrieves information about users, their memberships, and their time records, and displays this data on a web page. This code is meant to redirect the user to a dashboard page, ensuring that the URL uses HTTP secure connection if it is available. If not, it falls back to HTTP. This code is for a user dashboard in a gym management system. It allows logged-in users to view their membership details and time records as well as update their time records by scanning a QR code. The dashboard also includes a sign-out button. This is the HTML structure for a website that serves as the monitoring system. It contains a navigation bar and hero image section with contact details. The page is designed using Bootstrap for responsive and stylish. This CSS code defines the style for a Gym website. It sets a background image, customized fonts, buttons, tables, and form elements, and adding styling to different parts of the page like the navigation bar, buttons, and tables. This code is for a gym monitoring system webpage, which displays information about different gym classes and their respective prices and dress days. The webpage uses Bootstrap for responsive design and some custom styles via an external CSS file classes CSS. This PHP is used to log out an admin from the system and redirect them to the admin sign-in page. This PHP handles the admin login process for the gym management system. It checks if the provided username and password match an existing admin record in the database, and if successful, it logs the admin and redirects them to the dashboard. If there's an error, it redirects back to the login page with an error message. This code represents an admin dashboard page for the gym management system. It is used to manage various administrative tasks like user approval, tracking time records, and more. This code is designed for admin user approval in a gym management system. The admin can approve or reject users based on their membership status, allowing the system to update the user's records accordingly. This code appears to be a landing page for a gym monitor system with a background image and some introductory text supported by Bootstrap for layout and styling. This code checks if the form was submitted via post by check-in server request method. This is a common and effective way to ensure that the code only runs when the form is submitted. This code is a HTML code. Admin registration form. This is the code for creating a form where an admin can register their username and password.
These PHP codes create a user dashboard for a gym management system. It fetches user and membership details from a database. It displays them in a table and shows the last check-in and check-out times. The page also includes a sign-up button. So for the next code, we have update time record. This PHP code handles user check-ins and check-outs at a gym using QR codes. If it checks if an admin is logged in, then processes the user's QR code scan. If the user is not already checked in, it records the check-in time. If they are already checked in, it records their check-out time. This HTML code creates a gym website page that shows information about 4 trainers. It has a navigation bar, background image, and section with trainer cards displaying their details. Next code again, we have sign out. This PHP code logs a user out by clearing their session data and sending them to the login page. This CSS code styles a gym website memberships and redirect the user to a confirmation page with relevant information. The code for the renewal confirmation. This code creates a confirmation page that displays a success message and, if applicable, a QR code generated during the membership renewal process. 1. We have the registration process. This code handles registration form submissions, stores user and membership data in the database, generates QR code for daily or monthly memberships, and redirect the users to a confirmation page with a relevant info.
Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation project entitled Gym Monitoring and Attendance System. This system is designed to gym management and simplify member attendance tracking. The first feature of our system is a member registration. When a new member joins, the staff enters the details like name, contact information, and type of membership plan they choose into the system. Once registered, the system generates the unique QR code for member. The QR code acts like digital ID which they can use every time they visit the gym. The second feature is attendance tracking. When members arrive at the gym, they scan the QR code at the entrance. The system records their entry time and update their attendance status in real time. Another great feature of our system is online booking system. This features allows members to book gym session, fitness classes, or even specific equipment in advance. The booking process is very user-friendly, and members can log into the system using their credentials. They can choose a time slot and confirm their booking. Once booked, the system sends them to a notification as reminder.
4. Our system is also include a reporting and analytics features. This is a valuable tool for gym administrators. The system collects data on attendance, peak hours, and members' activity, which is then displayed in an easy-to-read dashboard. For example, gym admins can view which days and times are the classes. They can see how many members attend in a week or month. Reports can help identify inactive members and send them reminders to stay engaged. Part 5. Let's quickly highlight the benefits of using this system. Efficiency. It saves time for both members and gym staff by automating tasks like attendance, tracking, and booking. Accuracy. It reduces errors that can happen with manual logs. Convenience. Member can book sessions and manage their gym time easily. Data insight. Gym owner get valuable information to improve their services. Our integrated gym management and attendance system specify gym operations and that providers a better experience for both members and staff.
The image shows a histogram visualizing the height distribution of gym members. Separated by gender, the x-axis represents height in meters and the y-axis represents the frequency of members within each height range. The green bars represent female members and the blue bars represent male members. The histogram suggests that there are more female members in the gym than male members, and the majority of members fall within the height range of 1.6 to 1.9 meters. The next image shows a histogram also visualizing the distribution of average heart rate or the BPM of gym members, separated by gender. The x-axis represents average BPM and the y-axis represents the frequency of members within each BPM range. The green bars represent female members and the blue bars represent male members. The histogram suggests that that there are more than female members in the gym than male members, and the majority of members have an average BPM between 120 and 160. The distribution of average BPM appears to be slightly higher for female members compared to male members. Next image is about the maximum heart rate, or this image displays a histogram that illustrates the attributes or the distribution of maximum heart rate BPM among gym members, categorized by gender. The x-axis represents the maximum BPM, and while the y-axis indicates the frequency of members within each BPM range. Green bars represent female members, and the blue bars represent male members. The histogram suggests a higher frequency of female members compared to male members in the gym. The majority of members exhibit a maximum BPM between 160 and 200. The distribution of maximum BPM appears somewhat higher for female members compared to male members.
Here in water intakes, this represents the amount of water consumed by the participants daily. Proper hydration is crucial for physical performance, recovery, and overall health, especially during workouts. The distribution helps identify hydration trends among individuals based on their fitness routine. Next is the workout frequency. This indicates how many days in a week participants engage in a physical activity. It reflects their consistency and commitment to fitness. Higher frequency suggests more disciplined routines, which are often linked to advanced fitness goals. So next is the experience level. Here in experience level, this is a measure of participant proficiency in fitness, like rated on a scale. For example, the beginner and intermediate, advanced. It provides insight into their familiarity with exercise techniques and their potential workout intensity. Higher experience levels often correlate with a specific structure fitness goal.
Calories burned. Our system tracks how many calories each member burned during their workouts. Here are bar chart showing the average calories burned per session. We can use this data to highlight which workout are most effective. Next, let's look at the session duration. Here's a histogram showing the time member spent in their gym. Most sessions are between 1 and 1.5 hours, which is great range for effective workout. This data help us ensure members use their time wisely and get most out their visit. Let's talk about resting heart rate. This is scatter plot showing resting heart rate for different members alongside their workout performance. Members with a lower resting heart rate usually have better cardiovascular fitness. We can use this to monitor progress and suggest heart health activities like yoga and cardio for improvement.
This bar chart, the x-axis represents BMI values ranging approximately from 12.5 to 50. The y-axis shows the frequency number of gym members for each BMI range. The distribution appears roughly unimodal, having one peak suggestion, a concentration of BMI values around the central tendency. And the other one, this bar chart shows the number of individuals failing in the specific body fat percentage intervals for each workout category. Tailor bars indicate a higher frequency of members in that particular body fat range for a given workout. The color coding allows for a visual comprehension of a body fat percentage distribution across workout types. For example, it appears that the strength training group might have a wider range of a body fat percentage than the cardio group. However, this is a visual estimation. Precise conclusion required the underlying numerical data.
The first chart displays the height of the gym members and is grouped into specific ranges, and it's also divided by gender. The green bars represent the number of females in each height range, while the blue bars represent the number of males. Taller bars indicate a higher number of people with that specific height. For instance, if a green bar is much taller than a blue bar in a certain range, it means more females than males fall within the height. The chart gives a clear comparison of how male and female members' height are distributed across the gym population, helping to identify which height ranges are most common for each gender. The second chart focuses on the ages of the gym members, and like the first chart, groups the data into specific ranges, separating them by gender. Again, the green bars show the number of females and the blue bar shows the number of males in each age range. Taller bars represents a larger number of people in that specific age group. For example, if a green bar is taller than a blue bar for a certain age group, there are more females than males in that age range. This chart makes it easy to see which age groups are more common and how the gender distributed differs across different ages. Together, these insights provide a detailed understanding of the gym population by age and gender.